As a small business owner, you know that technology is essential for your success. And don't you already have enough to do? Think about it. It's no secret that system downtime, whether it's your computers, phones, point of sale, or Wi-Fi, can quickly cause a loss of sales revenues, frustrate employees, customers, and in some cases, even lose a customer.
Who's got time to worry about all the digital parts, pieces, systems, upgrades, security, and so much more?
Just like the big guys, you need reliable technology to provide a consistent service.
Now, what if you could simplify all the complexity with affordable, responsive, digital, and IT services?
There's some good news. Running a small business in a complex digital world just got easier. Imagine.
What if you could bundle all your technology systems under one roof? At J2iT Group, our mission is to simplify complexity and lighten your load so your business can focus on what you do best.
Need a complete IT solution, expansion, upgrades, or just need parts?
We want the chance to be your one reliable source to design, install, connect, upgrade, manage, and totally simplify your business technology.
What this means is you keep critical hardware updated and secure. You save time and reduce costs. You get reliable and affordable tech support.
You keep different technologies working together. And you eliminate too many vendors, and that gives you one throat to choke.
Or in our case, we like to say one back to pat.
So if what you've heard so far makes sense, schedule a free consultation or quote.
Find out for yourself how exactly J2iT Group can simplify all the complex digital components of your business,
so your business and your people can continue to make more money and gain peace of mind.
Thanks for visiting.